guys, welcome back. So today we're upgrading this 8V2 RS3 to APR Stage 2. So we've already had it on the dyno this morning, so it's making around 413 horsepower and about 370 foot-pounds of torque, so bang on what APR say this particular car should make. So yeah, we're just going to walk you through some of the parts before we install the APR Stage 2. So obviously we've got the all-important decat exhaust system for the Stage 2, so removes the primary cats and also the secondary cats and matches up to the OEM catback on this car. We've got the turbo inlet hose, so this replaces the factory turbo inlet hose, which is hugely restrictive on these cars, so you gain quite a bit of power on it, a bit of response as well. Later on in the video we'll show you the differences between the Forged Motorsport one and the standard one as well. We've also got the all-important APR Intercooler as well, with the US spec crash bar to give you a little bit more room. So obviously intercoolers on these cars are incredibly important, even at sort of like stock or stage 1 power levels. The factory intercooler is quite small, so as soon as you increase the boost, it really starts to struggle with keeping charge temps consistently cool, and that's obviously going to restrict power, torque as well, make the car feel really lethargic on a hot day. So the APR intercooler completely solves that, so you get more consistent power levels all the time and higher power as well. As well as that, we've got the K&N panel filter to replace the standard paper element, and then the customer opted for some new OEM spec ignition coils, and then we've got the Verkline Billet Dogbone mount as well. So that basically reduces the engine movement backwards and forwards under load, so you get quicker response to the engine basically. So yeah, we're going to install all of these bits, show you how they all fit, do the run on road later on as well after we've installed the APR Stage 2, and show you some of the differences. So hope you enjoy.